Assalamu alaikum 7th class. This is your science lecture, so open your books. This is the last lecture of chapter number 4, magnets and electromagnets. Students, in previous lecture we were discussing about using electromagnets, and we have discussed about different use of electromagnets. Electromagnets are used for lifting, sorting and moving metal objects. And next we have discussed about the structure of an electromagnets that are used in different machines. It contains a coil, copper coil, that is wound around the iron core. Iron core is used in the center because it produces strong magnetic field, and it is attached with the wires. When current is turned off, it produces electromagnets, and because of this electromagnetism the iron core becomes magnet, and it produces magnetic fields more strongly than the coil that contains air in the coil. So it produces 200 times stronger than the same solenoid with nothing but air in the core. Another advantages of using iron is that the core loses its magnetism as soon as the current is turned off. Electromagnets can also be used for separate soft magnetic metals like iron and steel from non-magnetic metals like copper and aluminium. Next, we have discussed about the usage of electromagnets in loudspeaker. And in the loudspeaker we have learned that when current is supplied, this coil start to move forward and backward. As a result, this pulls the permanent magnet pull and push. As a result of this pull and push, this paper coil start to vibrate, and these vibrations travel through the air and reach our ear. That's why it produces a sound that is amplified by the loudspeaker. This was our previous lecture, and today we are going to start the usage of electromagnets in a relay. A relay is a switch controlled by an electromagnet. This is a switch controlled by an electromagnet. It uses a small current to switch on a separate circuit which may carry a much larger current. It uses small current to switch on this circuit that uses much current. The diagram shows a relay used to turn on the start motor of a car. Students, this is the ignition switch. When this is turned on, the current is supplied to the copper coil and iron is present in the copper coil. So this produces strong electromagnetism. As a result of this electromagnetism, this iron lever pulls towards the magnet. As a result, this circuit is turned on and much current is supplied to the starter motor, and this motor will start. When the ignition switch is turned on, the electromagnets pull on an iron lever. This iron lever is pulled on. This closes the contacts in the relay, allowing a much larger current to flow to the starter motor. And when this is pulled off, this circuit is turned on and much amount of current is supplied to the starter motor. If this large current flowed through the wires of ignition switch, it would melt them. Students, you have to know that this current will not pass to the ignition switch, because when this current is passed through this switch, these wires will melt. So this current must be flow through the starter motor. This is the use of electromagnet in the relay. Next, we are discussing about the usage of electromagnets in circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an automatic safety device found in many homes. This is a safety device present in our homes when something is current, when in something a large amount of current is passed, the circuit breaker switch off the current. This is the good usage of circuit breaker in homes. If a current in a circuit gets too high, the circuit breaker cuts it off. An electric current flows through the two contacts and also through an electromagnet. This is the diagram of circuit breaker. This is the contacts, and this current passes through these contacts and electromagnets as well. A spring is trying to pull the contact apart, but there is an iron bar with the catch which stops them from separating. These springs are present. This spring pulls the contacts apart. These are contacts, and these springs pull these contacts apart, but there is present an iron catch which stops them from separating. If the current gets too high, the electromagnet gets stronger, pulls the iron bar and releases the catch. When current is too high, this electromagnet produces strong electromagnetism. So as a result of this strong electromagnetism, this iron catch pulls apart. As a result, these contacts get apart. The spring pulls the contacts apart, so the current is switched off. When these contacts pulled apart, then switch is turned off. So this is the usage of electromagnet in the circuit breaker. Storing information using magnetism. Magnetism has become very important in the modern world for storing information. Information is stored in very kinds of things. So this is done by magnetism. It is used to record sounds on iPods, pictures on HDDs, and data on computer hard disk. So the storing of information in all these things is done by magnetism. It is due to the magnetism of the electromagnets. Credit cards and cash dispenser cards have magnetic strip which stores details of the cardholder's bank account. These are cash and credit cards also use magnetic strip which store details of the cardholder's bank account. This is our today's lecture, in which we have discussed about the usage of electromagnets in a relay, in a circuit breaker, and in a storing information. Read these paragraphs carefully and learn it. Thank you.